In today's video, we're gonna be installing my cargo box. And if we're lucky, I'll be able to install my floor in my runaway camper. For cargo box, I went with this roto-molded composite plastic Tractor Supply low profile box. And this one has little dividers, so that's cool. And the reason why I went with that one is because not only will it look good on this trailer, but it's also going to allow me to not only store extra storage, but I'll be able to raise that tank up a bit so that way that short hose can reach my Sanhima shower tent when I open it, because right now it barely reaches. As far as the floor, we're going to be installing this foam rubber blend tile flooring that is not only going to allow me to be nice and comfortable when I'm inside the trailer, but it's also going to give me a sense of insulation. So with that said, thank you guys for tuning in, and let's get started. Of course, like always, do a lot of careful measuring, but measure the box, lined up everything after I marked it with a marker, and put these square U-bolts facing down. And the reason why I did that is because in case for any reason these bolts back out, the U-bolts will be in place, and it'll keep the box in place until I figure out that I'm missing bolts on one of my inspections. The box is a great box. I love this box. Came with dividers as well as a weapons rack and bungee and some fasteners. But the hole's right there. Now my tank is a little higher. So if I put this hose in place, now the hose has plenty of reach to go over the shower into the tent, and I'd be able to use it. I'm not gonna reinstall the fasteners here that hold the hose in place, because I'd rather keep the hose put away out of the elements. So I would probably just take this back out and put it in there. I got these 4-gallon jugs on Amazon. Again, I'll leave the links below, so that way I can keep my water full. I could probably put one here and then one on that side, or if not, I'll get 2 more and keep 2 and 2 depending on how long my trip's gonna be, and I could keep the hose and the compressor right in the middle. But as far as the tank goes, it was a real tight squeeze. Absolutely no room to spare there. But as you can see over here, what I did was careful measuring again, ran the bolt straight down and put these lock nuts in there, so that ain't going nowhere. And of course, I mounted it as far back to the wall as possible for a couple reasons. Number one, I still got cup holders here if I wanted to put a cup here. If I'm hanging out in the front, I also have a platform here if I'm cooking out the back of my truck. But also because when this is full, this weighs probably around 100 pounds. So you don't want to put it towards the front. It'll put pressure on the front, be hard to open and close the door. Now we're gonna continue with the floor and see how that goes. Again, these are tile floors. That looks pretty good. Now, if some of you might be asking, why didn't I just go with one-piece flooring? I wanted to be able to have the option of, if something happens or if I get damaged or something, I'd be able to switch out a square versus having to pull out all the furniture I'm gonna have in here, and I have to switch out the whole thing. So let's say something happens over here, I could just switch out this tile, something over here, this tile, or the back tiles. They do so smaller tiles, but I thought it would have been too many tiles to have in here, and I wouldn't know how it would hold up. So these bigger tiles, I want to say they're 36 by 36 inch tiles. I'll leave the links below. Yeah, perfect fit. You have to measure 1,000 times, make sure that you're not wasting your money, because I want to say it's about $80 something for the set of this tiles. Only thing is, I have a little bit of a gap right here, and I'll fill that in with some caulking when I get a chance. It is way too cold to do it today, so I'll have to wait till it warms up a bit. But back here, this is pretty flush there, and then this side over here, this one has a little bit more of a gap right there, but not too bad. And there you go. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you think. Is there a different idea, something I could have done differently? Would you have used something else for the flooring? Do you like the tank, the cargo box in the front? Let me know. But that's it for today, guys. Until next time, thanks for watching.